One of the most exciting features precipitated by the new BlackMagic studio cameras is the color control on the inputs of the switcher. This is a huge feature that BlackMagic has come out with and can really allow you to set your cameras up with precise control of color balance and different color issues with the camera. I'm not going to get into all the how-tos, but I'm just going to do a quick overview of what's available. What's really cool about this is that your same ATEM you bought 4 years ago will take advantage of this situation. So let's take a look at it. You go into your camera setting, and as you can see is you have an independent color wheel for each camera. Basically working the RGB space and obviously borrowing some of the technology from the DaVinci product line. You have some control on the inputs that is really precise and really good. You have your contrast, your hue, your saturation, your RGB levels, your lift, your gamma, and your gain. This is true for every input on the ATEM. And again, no cost to you to upgrade, a huge bonus, a huge feature, allowing you to have precise control over each camera. As you can see, is you have the ability to go through each camera and set that up. And I'll tell you what, they've outdone themselves offering this. On the BlackMagic studio cameras, especially down the road, the talk is that this will also be talking to the camera in real time using the fiber ATEM connection. So in a sense, you'll almost have a CCU style control within the camera using this function. So a huge advantage of the new software, obviously. And again, no cost to you to upgrade as long as you have a 64-bit operating system. Feature that has not changed, obviously, is the media pool capability of the BlackMagic. Media pool is a great place to do your lower third work, do some of your graphics. It is not a DV video or video storage mechanism. It is strictly for stills and small animations on the higher end ATEMs. Basically, the .png format is probably the easiest format to work in because it automatically gives you the transparency that you need in order to get what you need for a lower third or a situation. I'm just going to drag a pre-done .png file into the media pool. As you can see, it loads it up, and there it is. In this case, we're creating kind of a funny four-way DVE that we can create each camera within the BlackMagic software down the road and create some keying capabilities. Again, you have media pool destinations here, right here, and you've got a 1 and a 2. And if you go back to the switcher, you can see that you can pull the media pool from the switcher itself using the program out or the preview out, and then go ahead and cut into the product in real time. And that's a great point. Unlike a lot of switchers, sub $1,000 switchers out there, the BlackMagic, to my knowledge, is the only true real-time switcher for video under $1,000 that does not have a delay. And the reason for that is, again, we're using the same frame size, frame rate across the board on every input. And we're working in a true NTSC space and not a RGB computer space. The switchers that most people come to me with a complaint about tend to be a RGB-based computer-driven switcher environment that basically has to reclock every signal for up to 3 seconds in order for sync to occur. BlackMagic kind of handles that, very diplomatically by having everything at the same frame size, frame rate, but more importantly, it's bypassing the reclocking and basically giving you a true NTSC in and out, allowing you, again, to have seamless switching. So if someone tells you under $1,000 they have a seamless switcher, ask them, show me, and you'll be surprised what they call seamless. BlackMagic, again, is, to my knowledge, one of the only switchers under $1,000 that is truly seamless, especially for the HD space. That's all I'm going to talk about right now on the software. There's lots more features. We've got transitions, we've got different things. We'll talk about that on future videos. Other videos, again, you can expect to see from AV Live is configuring your ATEM on a workplace network. In other words, using it over a standard network. That's one of the beautiful things about the ATEM is that you could be literally rooms away and control your video in real time. And another future video is talking about how to configure your mobile webcasting streaming rig. Lots of options to do streaming with the ATEMs. I do not recommend necessarily using the H.264 function for streaming. You can. Livestream plugin, of course, has worked well for some people. But we're going to talk about some of the better ways, in my opinion, to do streaming on the ATEM, especially the higher end models. And we'll also talk about some newer features, especially camera control and things of that nature.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.